Look at those geese. And two little duckies. And I'm here with doers, of course. Back at the park. It's so gorgeous today. It is 64 degrees. Tomorrow's going to be 67, which is crazy with the snow still on the ground in upstate New York. But I wanted to talk a little bit about forgiveness because I think a lot of people think of forgiveness in a certain way. And really, forgiveness is about letting go of resentment or anger or something you're holding on to because of the actions of someone else. Or forgiveness can be forgiving yourself for maybe past mistakes or past ways of thinking that got you into a certain position, which in my case, it took me a long time to really figure out how to forgive myself and let go of all of that because, you know, I felt like for a long time that because of my past and the decisions I made, that I wasted a lot of time in my life. But really, it wasn't wasted. I can't regret anything that I did in my past because with the bad, there was also a lot of good. So you have to give yourself compassion. You have to give yourself, you know, time to let go of things like that and be okay with it and move on. And I'm finally in a place where I have forgiven myself and past people and things that came about in life that, you know, put me in a rough place or a rough state of being, state of mind. So I want you guys to start thinking about that. We'll go more into it tomorrow, but, you know, forgiveness isn't just one thing. It's a lot of things. It's a lot of different ways you can forgive yourself, forgive others. So that's all for now, I guess. I just wanted to show you guys the scenery and how gorgeous it is out here. It's freaking beautiful. And Doer says hello. Huh, buddy? He's loving life at the park. So we'll see you in the next one.